There's a natural superfood so powerful it might just outperform whey protein. That's right, this tiny organism is loaded with nutrients, supports muscle growth, and offers unique benefits for athletes and non-athletes alike. For decades, whey has been the gold standard for protein supplements, but science is uncovering something new that could shake up the fitness and health world. Could this remarkable algae really hold the key to better gains, faster recovery, and more? Stay with us as we uncover the truth about this game-changing superfood. Welcome to Levitas. How does it compare to whey? For years, whey protein has been hailed as the ultimate supplement for building muscle and enhancing recovery. With its complete amino acid profile, it's considered a fast-digesting protein powerhouse. But is it the only option? This alternative superfood doesn't just rival whey, it challenges it. Packed with an impressive protein content of up to 70% by weight, this algae contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. It also boasts superior digestibility, which can be a game-changer for those who struggle with whey-related bloating or dairy sensitivities. Where whey excels in speed of absorption, this algae takes the lead in its nutrient density. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that promote overall health, not just muscle repair. Plus, unlike whey, which is derived from dairy and might be filled with toxins of all kinds, this algae is entirely plant-based and sustainable, making it a more eco-friendly choice. Does it help build muscle mass? Building muscle requires more than just protein, it demands high-quality nutrients that fuel cellular repair and growth. This algae provides precisely that. With a protein content rivaling whey and an amino acid profile tailored to muscle protein synthesis, it supplies the building blocks your body needs to create lean muscle. What sets it apart is its high concentration of branched-chain amino acids, also known as BCAAs, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are vital for muscle repair, reducing exercise-induced damage, and promoting growth. Additionally, it contains bioavailable iron, which supports oxygen transport to muscles, enhancing endurance and recovery after strenuous workouts. But there's more. This algae is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, a unique fatty acid that reduces inflammation and supports joint health, crucial for anyone pushing their physical limits. Combined with its dense profile of antioxidants like phycocyanin, this algae minimizes oxidative stress, protecting your muscles and helping you train harder and recover faster. Whether you're an athlete chasing peak performance or someone looking to improve overall health, this algae offers unparalleled benefits. For athletes, its nutrient density goes beyond muscle support. The antioxidants it contains, particularly phycocyanin, help combat oxidative stress caused by intense training, reducing muscle soreness and speeding up recovery. But its benefits aren't limited to athletes. For non-athletes, this algae is a nutritional powerhouse. It boosts energy levels naturally, thanks to its high content of iron and B vitamins, making it ideal for those combating fatigue or leading busy lives. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help manage chronic conditions, support joint health, and improve overall well-being. Additionally, this algae supports cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol and enhancing arterial elasticity, making it a heart-friendly option for everyone. Its immune-boosting properties, driven by its rich array of micronutrients, make it a valuable ally for those looking to strengthen their defenses against illness. Athlete or not, incorporating this algae into your diet offers a holistic approach to better health, energy, and resilience. What is this powerful algae? The incredible superfood we've been talking about is spirulina. This blue-green algae is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's packed with up to 70% protein by weight, all 9 essential amino acids, and a host of vitamins and minerals. Spirulina has been consumed for centuries, earning its reputation as a complete food source. But its benefits extend far beyond basic nutrition. With antioxidants like phycocyanin and anti-inflammatory compounds, spirulina offers a unique edge for building muscle, boosting energy, and promoting overall health. It's not just food, it's a functional powerhouse. Does it have any risks? As powerful as spirulina is, it's essential to approach it wisely. While generally safe, spirulina can cause adverse effects in certain individuals, especially if sourced improperly. Contaminated spirulina may contain harmful toxins or heavy metals, posing serious health risks. Always choose certified, organic spirulina from trusted brands to avoid contamination. Those with autoimmune conditions should exercise caution, as spirulina stimulates the immune system and may exacerbate symptoms. Similarly, individuals with phenylketonuria, also known as PKU, should avoid spirulina due to its phenylalanine content. Start with a small dose to test your tolerance, gradually increasing as your body adapts. Typical recommendations range from 1 to 3 grams daily, but always consult a healthcare provider if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Side effects like mild digestive discomfort may occur but usually subside with consistent use. To maximize its benefits, pair spirulina with a healthy food plan and stay hydrated. By taking these precautions, you can safely unlock spirulina's incredible potential. Incorporating spirulina into your diet is simple and versatile. Available in powder, tablet, or capsule form, spirulina suits various preferences. For beginners, starting with tablets or capsules is the easiest way to control dosage and avoid its distinctive taste. Powdered spirulina offers more flexibility and can be added to smoothies, salads, or even water for a nutrient-packed boost. Pair it with citrus fruits like lemons to enhance iron absorption and mask its earthy flavor. For athletes, combining spirulina with post-workout protein and healthy foods is an excellent way to refuel. Timing is crucial for optimal benefits. Consuming spirulina in the morning can kickstart your energy levels, while taking it post-workout supports muscle recovery and repair. Avoid cooking spirulina, as heat can degrade its nutrients. Instead, add it to cold or room temperature dishes like yogurt, salads, or dips. By integrating spirulina into your daily routine, you can harness its full potential to build muscle, enhance recovery, and support overall health. So, can spirulina outperform whey protein? In some ways, yes. While whey remains unmatched for rapid absorption and specific muscle-building applications, spirulina offers broader benefits. Its nutrient density, sustainability, and digestibility make it a compelling alternative for those seeking a plant-based option. Spirulina supports not only muscle growth but also energy, immunity, and overall health, providing a more holistic approach. For anyone looking to diversify their protein sources or embrace a cleaner, more sustainable diet, spirulina has the potential to rival, if not surpass, whey in its versatility and impact on well-being. In conclusion, spirulina stands as a formidable contender in the realm of nutritional powerhouses, challenging even whey protein in its versatility and impact. With a protein content of up to 70% by weight and a complete amino acid profile, spirulina delivers a muscle-building capacity on par with whey, yet it also surpasses it in nutrient density. Beyond protein, it offers a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a holistic choice for anyone seeking optimal health. For athletes, spirulina's high concentration of BCAAs, bioavailable iron, and antioxidants like phycocyanin provide exceptional support for muscle repair, endurance, and recovery. Meanwhile, its GLA content aids in reducing inflammation, making it a boon for those pushing their physical limits. Non-athletes also benefit from its natural energy boost, immune support, and heart health promoting properties. The risks associated with spirulina are minimal but significant, emphasizing the importance of sourcing high-quality, certified products and tailoring intake to individual health conditions. When consumed correctly, whether as a powder, capsule, or tablet, it integrates seamlessly into various diets, enhancing both energy and recovery without compromising its potent nutrients. Ultimately, while whey excels in rapid muscle repair, spirulina shines as a nutrient-dense, sustainable alternative, offering a more comprehensive approach to health and wellness. For those ready to embrace its full potential, spirulina is not just a substitute, it's a revolution in nutrition. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.